Today, we are diving into some groundbreaking news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. One of the biggest upgrades is here, and it's set to blow your mind. Samsung is looking to unleash a performance like never before. So buckle up as we take a first look at the incredible Geekbench 6 benchmark score of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. First off, let's talk numbers. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip boasts a single-core score of 2,884 and a multi-core score of 8,840. These numbers are absolutely record-breaking. The multi-core score in particular is phenomenal compared to what we see with the iPhone 15 Pro's multi-core performance. This is a huge leap forward, and it sets the stage for an exciting future in smartphone performance. But that's not all. We now know the exact configuration of this powerhouse chip. It features 8 cores with performance cores reaching up to an astonishing 4 GHz clock speed. I never imagined we'd see a phone with a max 4 GHz clock speed, but here we are. This makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra a record-breaking device. Qualcomm has not only surpassed Apple in CPU performance, but is also looking to dominate in GPU performance. The graphic performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is equally impressive, and this comes from a reliable source, Digital Chat Station, known for accurate leaks. With this insane GPU upgrade, we can expect better dominance over Apple regarding graphics performance. This opens up a world of possibilities, especially for gaming. Imagine playing the latest games with such high-performance graphics. I really hope we start to see some actual game developments coming to Android to take full advantage of this incredible GPU. Keep in mind that these are early Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 scores, and we can expect even better performance once it's fully optimized for the S25 Ultra. In addition to these performance upgrades, there's exciting news on the connectivity front. Samsung may finally introduce their long-awaited satellite connectivity feature with the Galaxy S25 series. This feature has been confirmed to be in full development. According to a software code leak via Android Authority, Samsung is working on an emergency SOS or emergency text message service via satellite. This service will not only allow you to send messages but also receive text messages via satellite connectivity. This is a feature we've seen on iPhones since the iPhone 14, so it's high time Samsung brings it to the Galaxy S25 series. The introduction of satellite connectivity is a game changer, especially in emergency situations where regular cellular service might not be available. It's great to see Samsung catching up and potentially surpassing Apple in this area. This feature could be a lifesaver, and it's one more reason to be excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now let's talk about software. With the S25 series, we're going to see a mature version of One UI 7.0. This update is currently the hottest topic of leaks. We have seen multiple visual leaks for One UI 7.0, which seem to take some inspiration from iOS. The latest news regarding One UI 7.0 is that the update is delayed connectivity. It's an exciting time to be a Samsung fan, and we can't wait to see how this phone performs in real-world scenarios. Are you as excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra as we are? What features are you most looking forward to? Do you think Samsung will finally take the crown from Apple in terms of performance and innovation? I'd love to hear what you think. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.